But anyway, we are telling you guys how to prepare your pork sausage meat for Christmas with some cranberry and some raisin and also some cranberry sauce also inside of it. Give it a lot of flavor. Guys, I did it. I saw it, guys. I tasted it before and I said I want to share it with you guys. It's just beautiful, something totally different where you can put up on a Christmas table. So right at the moment, as I said before, I show you how to prepare it and how to cook it, and you can do this for your Christmas. So this one is for your Christmas pork sausage meat. Get how to prepare it, how to cook it, and get it ready for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching the cooking channel. Leave your comments if you think you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully we can come out with better and best for Christmas. We love you. Thank you so much. And remember, get a copy of the cooking book. The Caribbean Cuisine cookbook is on Amazon, and there's a 50% off at the moment. See you next time, and hopefully have a wonderful Christmas. Bye-bye. I love it. Welcome back again. We're going to show you how you're going to do your Christmas sausage meat right here, guys. To be honest, I just went to the shop and I brought a pack of sausages, this is only 500 gram. This is going to be working out to a pound in 500 gram. So basically, this sausages is already pre-ready. So as you can see, it's some green bits inside of it. That's some parsley which is inside of it to give it a nice lovely taste. Basically, we're not gonna put any onion inside of it, but we're gonna put a little bit of season towards it, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how to get your Christmas sausage meat, pork sausage meat ready. All right, and how to prepare it and how to do it. First of all, let's put some pepper, and also basically we're gonna simply put a little bit of paprika, just a little pinch of paprika, half teaspoon of paprika, not too much, guys. Basically we have some garlic powder with a little bit of pimento and a little bit of ginger also inside of it, just a little pinch, and also a pinch of all-purpose season, and that's it. You don't need to put any salt because this season already have some salt inside of it. Right here I have raisin and cranberry already inside of this already. This is some dry fruits which I'm gonna use, and this is only 300 gram. Basically I'm gonna use half of it, as I said, cranberry and raisin inside of it. This is the dry fruits. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna just simply put off the top of it like this and simply pour it inside of it. So we are using roughly half of it inside of it. Basically I have some cranberry already sauce right here which is ready. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply get roughly a teaspoon of it and put it straight inside of the bag like this. This one. Simple. Use a hand and give it a nice lovely mix like this. I'm showing you how to get your Christmas sausage meat ready. Nice and lovely. So this is the way it look inside of the bowl right here. Then next thing, get a piece of a greaseproof paper and simple put it straight inside of it like this. So top part of my gloves. See, I simply give it a nice lovely rub like this. Rub. Right. edges like this. Like this. Alright. Like this. Simple. Cut off the edges with the scissors. Then get some file. Get this on file. Rough like this. And do another rough like this. And another rough like this. Cut off the edges. Nice one. And next thing, right here is my oven tray, and I'm putting a piece of paper right inside of it. Resting it just like this. Preheat your oven first, guys, and put it at gas mark 6 or 7, and roast it inside of the oven for 45 minutes. For both gas mark 5, 6 is really good for it. If you're using a different kind of oven, you can put it at 165 for half an hour to 45 minutes inside of the oven. So this is one of the ways all you can do your Christmas sausages meat. Alright, so guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. I know we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to roast it for 45 minutes. Gas mark 5, 6 or 7 is good. And we can serve it with some nice lovely cranberry sauce. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. I just finished my sausages and I make it cool down a little bit because it was a little bit too hot. So basically, guys, if I simple move the file like this and make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about right here. And make you guys can see. So this is the way it look. Lovely and nice. Really good. So guys, all I need to do, simple, do a little slice like this, if you guys can see. So, and especially if it cool down, it even get more better and firmer. But as you can see, looking lovely and nice with the raisin and the cranberry inside of it. Just beautiful. And guys, so guys, just enjoy the recipe. Just a tips and an idea and something we can do for Christmas. The sausages meat, beautiful. So enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipes like this coming up for you. Bye bye.